Hello dear students, today we will do exercise number 4 part A and B. Before that, some certain verbs, I am telling you about certain verb, noun and adjective. These are always followed by particular prepositions. Okay, means each and every type of sentences, if these verb, noun and adjectives are used, so these are followed by particular prepositions. I am telling you some of the sentences, I am showing you also. Now you can note the correct preposition after each word in italics. Okay, I am telling you also. Number one is he agreed to. So always we will use to after agreed. So he agreed to my proposal. Next, silkworms feed on. So the word feed on. So the preposition on is always used with the word feed. Okay, so silkworms feed on mulberry leaves. Next, he was punished for misconduct. So punished for. Next, I beg leave to differ from you. So differ from. Okay, when we are categorizing. Okay, when we are making difference. So differ from. He was born of poor parents. The doctor cured him of asthma. So cured him of. Next, I had difficulty in finding his address. Next, this drug acts as a preventive of malaria. So preventive of. He is bound by a contract. So bound by. Next, he supplied the poor with clothing. He is engaged to my cousin. She was dressed in a white sari. I warned him of the danger. Beware of. So the preposition of we are using every time with the word beware. So beware of pickpockets. What is the matter with the children? With the child? What is the matter with the child? So matter with. Little Jack proved quite a match for the giant. He is dependent on his parents. So dependent on. He is deficient in common sense. Deficient means not having enough of something. Okay, deficient in common sense. Next is he is indifferent to his own interest. Oil is good for burns. This pencil is different from. See, in the previous page also we have seen that differ from. So same with different also we will use from. So this pencil is different from that. He is ill with fever. We should provide against risk of fire by insuring our goods. So here provide against. Next, he is blind in one eye. Alcohol is injurious to health. Injurious means harmful. He is related to me. And the Moors were famous for their learnings. Next, the goats subsist on the corsets of food. So here corsets means rough and subsist means what है to manage, to live with very little food. Okay, so the goats subsist on the coarsest of food. Right, now the exercise A and B of fourth one will complete both. Number A is fill in the blank with correct preposition. Number 1, a wise man profits from experience. So with profits we will use from. And in some of the statement, according to the meaning of the statement or according to the context, we will use preposition. I have a picture similar to yours. You may rely on. Always we will use rely on what he says. He has no taste for music. You will be sorry for your mistake. So you will be sorry for. His face is familiar to me. His sister died of consumption. So died of. He is married to my cousin. The jury found him guilty of murder. Take care of your health. Now the B1 is complete the sentences with correct prepositions. The dog is faithful to his master. So faithful to. My sister is fond of fairy tales. Next, he is always in need of. So with need we are using of. So he is always in need of money. Next, he is acquainted with all the facts. Next, she is fond of children. Fond of. Always remember with fond we will use of. So like in the second statement, my sister is fond of fairy tales. She is fond of children. Never yield to temptations. This house is suitable for a large family. His face reminds me of his father. This rose differs from that. He is very different from what I expected. So here we completed both the exercises. Okay, do it with pencil in your book very neatly and revise all the 4 chapters. Here we completed the syllabus of UT1. Revise all the chapters. In any of the day I can take your surprise test. Okay, thank you.